surely they are increasing the difficulty level day by day. So, hi guys, I will quickly walk you through my IIM Indores interview, which happened today. From the past 2 days, I was not sleeping and completely focusing on brushing up my academics, thinking that they might ask me that, but they did not. Another background knowledge that I personally observed was that मैंने IIM इंदौर में PGP और PGP HRM दोनों में अप्लाई किया था एंड माई इंटायर पैनल वॉज फिल्ड विद पीपल हु ओनली अप्लाइड फॉर PGP HRM. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई वॉज बींग इवेल्युएटेड स्पेसिफिकली फॉर PGP HRM गिवन द इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस ऑल्सो. सो इफ यू आर एक्चुअली प्लानिंग टू like specialize in some other domain या फिर अगर if you're thinking कि HRM को भी टिक करके I should explore my opportunity, I personally felt like I should have not done that because मेरा first priority HRM नहीं था. But okay, let's see what happens next. I will share you my results as well whenever they come. But for now, I will quickly walk you through my entire interview questions and my extempore topic that I was given in the interview. So, as soon as I entered, the first question I was asked was, are you interested in HRM or did you just tick it? So uske liye of course, I had answered that no, I am interested. So, he asked me about my previous work experience and what did I do in it. And then he asked me, what do HRs do and what subjects are taught in human resource management. And I was able to answer these questions. Next, he asked me, name women leaders in business and politics. Iske liye bhi I think this was an easy question. And then he asked me, who is the CM of Madhya Pradesh? तो इंदौर मध्य प्रदेश में probably that is why, and luckily I studied it beforehand, so I answered this question. When I answered this, the next question he asked was who is the previous chief minister of Madhya Pradesh, and I was like, okay, he wants me to get to a point where I actually do not know maybe. So I think that was it. Uske baad he asked me what all stations would you stop at if you travel from Bangalore to Indore by train. तो मैंने generally transcripts में देखा है, they ask what all states would you cross through, but here he specifically asked me what all stations would you stop at. So I actually did not know it, so I just said, sir, I know the names of the states I would cross by. That was it. उसके बाद he gave me an extempore topic. My topic was HR is a subdued role in an organization. इसके लिए first he gave me 30 seconds and मतलब I just wrote the topic का नाम on my paper and he said, okay, you can start speaking. So whatever I could recollect on the spot, I spoke about it. And while I was speaking, I think I spoke for a minute and after that he said, okay, you can stop. And then the next panelist took over. He was also a male. And he asked me, what all did you study in your undergraduate course? I talked about the names of the subjects. And then he started asking me how many stock exchanges are there in the country. I did not recall the exact number, so I told the name of the major stock exchanges. After that, he asked me what is the trading volume in NSE and BSE. I absolutely did not know, and I said I don't know. And he asked me, what do you think, so many stock exchanges should exist or not? I told him, yes, they should, because we should not have a monopoly here, etc. And that is why National Stock Exchange also came into existence. And then he told me, okay, can you tell me how do the stock exchanges earn their revenue and what are their expenses? And I was not able to think of an answer about it immediately. And then he told me, think what it could be, etc. And then I gave an answer which was correct. And then he told me that, do you think smaller stock exchanges would be able to build platforms? And he started mentioning their drawbacks, that like they are risky, and he started mentioning more drawbacks. So matlab, I agreed to those drawbacks till a point where I was not able to defend my previous answer. So he finally asked me, would you like to revisit your answer? And I was like, I mean, I did not have any other option, honestly. So after that, he gave me a remark that he said something along the lines that you changed two times, you changed your answer. I felt like it was a bad remark. And finally, he was like, thank you so much, you may leave now. So I think overall my experience was not that great, especially the last part. And the main thing that I felt like I was being evaluated more for the HRM program. Jabki I actually wanted to keep my options open, but let's see क्या results आता है. And I also talked to other people who took their interview today, and they told me that similar things happened with them also in my panel. Like everyone, मतलब सबके साथ last में थोड़ी grilling हुई थी, for which they were told to revisit their answer some way or the other, etc. तो overall ये experience था. Please like and subscribe so that I can keep making such videos. Thank you.